Welcome to Easy Dropshipping. Are you always worrying about sourcing winning product? No worry anymore, that's our department. Okay, let's see what we've got today.
Leather repair patch adhesive is easy for covering scratches or gouges. A few seconds of self-adhesive bonding can quickly rescue your favorite furniture without spending too much on upholstery repairs services. Leather repair patch adhesive works on covering holes without curling and seam, conforms to uneven surfaces wonderfully. You can find its excellent adhesion. Use scissors to cut leather repair patch adhesive in different shapes as you like. Ensure enough space that makes your sofa looks no obvious patch. High-quality PU leather, waterproof and durable, soft, eco-friendly, no-smell adhesive. Leather repair patch adhesive can help you to create a comfortable life.
Our company have served more than 3,000 dropshippers and have our own winning product sourcing team. If you want to get more winning product, follow us right now. Let's make money together.